So this BMW K100 I ended up buying from the second owner, who got it from an estate that he had bought, and it had sat in a garage for 20 years and only had 30,000 miles on it, and came with everything that's ever been done to the bike. So I thought it would be the perfect candidate to start a cafe racer build out of. And I thought the most appropriate thing to do would be to start by restoring it and getting it running and driving. Alright, so the camera ended up dying, and what I've done so far is I've done the injector seals, I've done new fuel lines, new vacuum lines, and then just cleaned up the injectors and cleaned out all the old fuel as much as I could, changed the air filter, and rewired a lot of this bike and put a new ignition on it. And I didn't really want to show that anyways, but yeah, now it's time to get even more done and do the coolant and the oil and the gas. Got to make sure the fuel pump's good, and if it's not, I'm going to be really sad. Oh shit, ow. That didn't go well at all. That was awful, that was so painful. Okay, so last time I filmed something about this bike. I don't really remember what it was, but I filmed stuff and it's running now. It runs, drives good, but it leaks a bunch of gas from one of these ports. I think it's one of these lines. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. But for now, I'm gonna put this other rear piece on, this rear fairing, so I can fit this Corbin seat, because this Corbin seat is very comfortable. So I'm gonna do that. So when I changed out this rear fairing, I ended up also putting in some signals I had laying around just for now, because one of them was pretty broken and just kind of hanging there. So essentially, I just changed out all the fluids that I could. I did the oil, and I did all the gaskets that went with the oil pan and everything, because they were leaking a little bit. The fuel that was leaking actually ended up being one of the pressure vents for the gas tank. So I went and fixed that and got it all good. I went and did the drive shaft oil as well, and I wanted to change out the coolant just because might as well. I'm already doing all this other stuff, so